blood sugar control, better immunity, its benefits of eating gajar carrot. Hello everyone, this is Neha. Welcome to all my channel. As usual, before starting this video, I am requesting you please subscribe my channel, like my video and share too. Let's start. Carrots are delicious and healthy foods that are great for your eyes, skin, and overall health. Next one is gajar is served with curries, gravies, and sweet dishes. Carrots are full of vitamin A and are proven to have better eye health. Carrots are also low in calories and make a healthy food. Carrots are packed in carotenoids, alpha and beta carotene, which helps to control blood sugar. Next one is eating carrots can keep you full for a long time and hence control overreacting, resulting in a healthier lifestyle. Next one is friends. Carrots also have a lots of potassium which helps to get rid of the excess sodium and helps in blood pressure control. Carrots also help to regulate blood sugar levels and blood pressures. Next one is carrots also have beta carotene, which is a pretty powerful antioxidant, has lowering the risk of various diseases such as lungs, prostate, and colorectal cancer. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you liked my video. See you next video. Till take care.